you want a bath before you come out? Do you want a bath? Yeah? Hold on, move over here a bit. Over here. Oh, don't your wings up, that's it. Is that nice? Aye? Oh. Oh, yes, Dad, she says. Oh, look at that. Oh, is that good? Oh, you want under your armpits? Oh, you want under your armpits? Got time to dry off before you come out then, haven't you? Aye? Aye? Hello, yes. Oh, yes. Once you're dried off, you can come out. Oh, she says. Good, is that enough? Do you want more? Want more? Yeah? Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that. Isn't that nice? Tighten your feathers up so you get it to your skin. That molting's horrible thing, isn't it, eh? Isn't it horrible molting? Aye, not comfortable, is it? Oh, Lord, Dad. Isn't that good, eh? There you go. That'll do you. Alright.